Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw's tips and tricks, and this is CorelDraw 2018 with the new Symmetry tool. I just did a video on this the other night, and I started playing around with it a little bit more. So to get it, all you do is right-click your mouse, and you get create a new Symmetry, and then take and add some more, possibly even amount like 8. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And instead of changing it after you draw it and adding more lines, you can do it as you go. So let's start here and let's draw a little object, and that's not that cool, but you could draw something like a flower. You can use your 2-point line and angle it down. You can use, lips and just put it like right there, and it'll draw you that. And then you can always go back and edit these and change them and change I draw everything in hairline. So we're going to go change it to black and change it to thicker. So you can always go back and edit it, and it'll edit that. So that's pretty cool. I can see some definite easier designs, because you can actually do it on the fly and kind of see what's going on. Break that apart, long that out, take those nodes. It almost works like the clone tool. And then when you're through, just be finished with it, and then you can do anything you want to with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.